Hey guys, just wanted to update you on our 81 Scrambler build. We're in the final stages of reassembly, and just thought we'd share with you guys what we've done so far. Like I said, 81 Scrambler. We started off with the body and frame. Just kind of walk you guys through what we've done so far. I guess to start, 40-inch Nitto trails on KMC machetes. We did the Gen-Right long arm on this, 3-link, 4-link. King coilovers, of course. PSE steering, we did the 60/80 Dynatrack Pro Rocks on this. Warren 10S, we have a LS in this. Gen-Right fenders, front and back, and we chose the TNT rock rails for the side. We did the Gen-Right full welding cage on this. This came out, I think, really great. We are building a center console for this for a B&M shifter, so we're in the process of marking that out to build it all the way to the rear. We also did a kind of a custom tire carrier for this. We wanted to still fit the 40 in the back and you know, have it accessible and easily take in and out. So done that. A few other things we've done. We're doing the Baja designs all the way around. Got the flush mounts in the back. We're doing some 4-inch in the front and the 9s on the bumper. And then also the Baja design rock lights inside the cage for lighting. And quite a few other little neat things that we've kind of put together for the, you know, kind of the finish on this. We should have this finished in the next couple of weeks, and we will do a walk around then. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks.